So I got this cage out. Some nice red young ones. We've got 3 there. This nice black baldy's coming up good. It's crazy that night the birds didn't want to get in. Something must have spooked them. So they were out all night. I had this cage open. I had those last 2 cages open. Birds were flying in the dark. Did have one missing. Came today. A young black and white one. So I actually thought I probably will lose half of the birds. I had to go to work the following morning. But luckily, the last one finally came back. Which is this little black one over here. Hey. That's pretty good. Let's see. Haven't even checked. Looks like they definitely got an egg here again. Let's see what we've got. Yeah, we've got one. We've got one from that very young fella. This hen over here. And we've got the 2 hens. I checked out yesterday. They got 4 eggs again. Don't know what I'm going to do. Don't know what I'm going to do with these guys. Cheeky buggers. So 2 hens. I don't even know which male it is. Haven't seen a male sit on there when I come out to feed. That's hilarious. Yep. It was easy to tell the difference last time because the silver saddle, first time eggs, they were smaller, but this time they're looking pretty similar now. So I don't know what I'm going to do, because I was thinking of putting this special hen and a boy for sale. So I'm going to have to throw these eggs out. Probably just going to have to throw them out. Got nowhere to put them. Definitely don't want to swap those. And we do have the red pair on eggs, so we don't want to stuff that up. So yeah, I haven't let out those young ones since that night, which I'll probably let them out tomorrow. That red one's looking nice too. Very young saddles, probably like 3 months old. But yeah, that's him. Came back after 4 days. So we've got the, what I believe are the hens over here. And then all the boys, there's way more boys. blue one. All he wants to do is get out. That one, very young bird, probably like a couple months old only. I think the oldest one in here probably like 4 or 5 months. Could be wrong, but off by a month maybe. That's about it. They're all young birds, and we'll slowly get them going. Their wings are growing on most of them. There is a few we've left cut still because they're very young. Been crappy weather. It is winter.